How to transfer ownership on Roblox game. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Roblox in your PC. If you do not have an app, just head over to roblox.com. If you want to transfer your ownership on your Roblox or an individual Roblox game, watch till the end. As you know, if you want to transfer or add another owner to your Roblox account or Roblox game, you simply have to sell your entire Roblox account. That is right. In your Roblox, if you check out for your profile in the More option, then head over to your settings, you will see that there is no such option as addition of ownership. In here, you can head over to settings and account info. However, with no log, you will see any of the option regarding the transfer of the ownership. This is because Roblox does not support any of the transfer of ownership, neither for the account nor a single game. If you want to transfer, all you have to do is simply sell the Roblox account, and that is how you can transfer the ownership. And yes, it is the only possible way. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you.